Hi, good day. This is Deanna Trinidad and I'll be demonstrating you on how to effectively edit an interactive and animated instructional video that you can definitely use to engage all types of learners inside the classroom. BITEABLE is video making solution designed to help students, marketers as well as teachers to create an animated videos, advertisements, commercials and presentations in just minutes with customizable templates. Let us proceed now. First, determine whether you want to start with a template or start from scratch. You can hover on the thumbnail to watch a preview. If a template catches your eye, just click on the edit video option and you can smooth sail your way to awesome videos just editing the text on it. If you'd like to freehand a video, from the home screen, select Create New Video. On the next screen, you can write your video title, enable or disable custom watermarks, and select the aspect ratio you want the project to be in. All set? Click Continue. You'll be brought straight to our Add step, where you can pick out the scenes in your videos. You have the option to use your mind-blowing animations, stock videos and images, or upload your own video or image. Please note that videos uploaded will not take that music audio on it. In this example, we've chosen one of our favorite animation scenes. Once you choose a scene, click on it and it will show in the timeline or on the bottom of the page. You can repeat this process until you have all of your scenes on the timeline. In it, you can switch scenes, set the preferred duration for the captions and scenes, set transitions, and delete elements you don't want. After that, click on the Style tab to apply some nice customization to your video. And then, you can change the font for the text here. Aside from that, you can change the color schemes of the background and animation on your scenes. If you have a specific color in mind, use the hex code box as usual. All done? Awesome! Now you can select Edit to actually type your content. Here you can change the font, size, and color of the text. You can also choose the alignment style. At any time in the process, you can access the timeline to shorten the duration of the scene, add transitions, switch the order of scenes, or add or remove captions. You can also add more text boxes here. Do not like a scene and want to start over? No problem. Click the bottom part of the scene on the timeline, or three dots that you can see, and select Delete Scene. Loving a scene so much you wish you can create an entire video with just that scene? You do, and you do. Click on the bottom part of the scene box on the timeline, which is on the three dots, and select Duplicate Scene. You can now also add scene transitions to make your videos pop. Hover between two scenes and click on the scene transition arrow beneath the timeline. You can choose from our library of royalty-free music or upload your own as usual. Your video is now ready to process. Click Export and select Build High Resolution Video to generate your preview. The system will then work their magic, and when you're done, you can download the video or publish it, public or hidden. You can also share your project on some platforms, take from BITEABLE, or copy embedded code. Voila! You can edit your video again once you've reached this point. Do not forget to select Download and Rebuild so your preview will include your newest edits. Your video is ready to go. Great job! Thank you so much for watching. If you did not download the application or installed it yet, please visit biteable.app.login and start making interactive videos now. Thank you so much once again. This is Deanna, your teacher for today.